What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2011 Toyota Yaris. As everybody knows, Toyota is always known for the reliability, and the Yaris is no different. Even though it is one of their cheaper models, this thing runs and runs and runs forever. My aunt actually had a 2009 Toyota Yaris, and she drove that thing to the ground. Actually traded it into this very same dealership, and we ended up selling it to a customer who's driving it right now, and I believe he's already breached 200,000 miles. And the thing just keeps on going. It comes in the rich silver color with great tread on the tires. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. So on the side, we got ourselves our power windows and our power locks. Your power mirrors are right here next to the steering wheel. Your trunk release, you pull here, and your gas release, you pull there. The vehicle itself is fairly simple. You got traction control here. It is equipped with an automatic transmission, which is very smooth. A center console that's just big enough to fit little things that you need here and there. You got a glove compartment right there. Bottle holders on each of the doors, and a little compartment right here. Go ahead and turn it on. So the cluster itself is actually on this side, and it's only got about 107,000 miles, so this thing is ready to take you to hell and back. It does have a stereo with a radio and CD player. Oh, and it also brings the auxiliary, which is actually right here with another little compartment right there. Up at the top, you got yourself your visor with the mirror to make sure you're looking pretty, dome lights right in the middle, and your rear view mirror. Go ahead and hop in the back. Seat is actually all the way back right here, and I am 5'10", so I still got a little bit of room with my knees right there. Well, not all the way back like this, but enough so it's comfortable. It does have a little pocket on both the driver and passenger. Putting this down, you got yourself a little cup holder right there. So it is a very comfortable ride. You also have the handles right there for all of the passengers as well as the driver. Let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk. So in the trunk right here, you actually have a very spacious trunk, as you can tell. Lifting this up, you got yourself your spare jack and your wrench right in there in case you ever needed to swap out a tire. Gas cap is actually on the driver's side. Taking a look under the hood, you got yourself the 1.5 liter 4-cylinder. It gets about 106 horsepower, but the biggest thing that actually stands out is 29 miles to the gallon and 35 miles in the city. So you're actually getting a very, very economically fuel efficient vehicle. This was the 2011 Toyota Yaris. Let us know if you want to see anything else on the vehicle, or if you have any questions, give us a call here at 559-444-0123 to set up a test drive. As you know, Westland Auto Sales has all of your in-house needs, whether it's good credit, bad credit, or no credit. We got you covered. Let us know that you watched the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye!